proud to announce today that New York State has reached its Climate Act goal to install 6 gigawatts of distributed solar, and we have reached it 1 year ahead of schedule. This milestone means that we are literally powering over 1 million New York State homes and businesses, but I think very importantly, low to moderate income households across our state as well. One that has generated approximately $9.5 billion in private investments. And I think very importantly, we now have over 14,000 people working in the solar industry across our state.
Every kilowatt hour we produce through solar and other renewables is a kilowatt hour we avoid producing through fossil fuels. And so that we are so far ahead of our goals is a testament to all the work we've done and a sign of success to date and more to come. When I look at the pace, I look at the targets, I look at how we've set our goals, and I see us moving at a speed that is far faster than anyone previously imagined.
We are number one in community solar in this country. We're New York, we love to compete, and we are 1 year ahead of schedule. That's extraordinary.
New York has a unique winning formula. New York sets big goals, has the public infrastructure to support those goals, and has the track record to prove that it means business.
In 2019, there were plenty of skeptics who doubted that we would hit 6 gigawatts by 2025. Yet here we are, celebrating. Distributed solar is shining bright, and we're just getting started. So let's build more.